Okay guys, what I'm going to talk to you about now are the tools needed to assemble the easy build kit. Okay, so I'm just going to talk you through each one. They're all designed to be super simple, nothing special that you can get in any DIY shop. Okay, first off, masking tape, any old decorating masking tape, electrical tape, roll of that. A file, you can use a flat file or a rounded file. Some coarse sandpaper, so 40 or 60 grit is perfect. I personally like a cloth backed one, so if you buy one that's designed for a sanding machine, they all come cloth back and they're really cheap to buy. Some gloves, so just some standard disposable gloves are really useful, so I'd probably get at least 4 sets. A ruler, so you can use a steel or plastic ruler, 30 centimeters is ideal. A pencil, or you can use a Sharpie or pen or whatever else you like. A Stanley or hobby knife, so just with a retractable blade is perfect. A couple of mixing sticks, so lollipop sticks, whatever you want to call them, for mixing up the glue. Finally, you want an old rag, an old t-shirt or anything, used cloth that you've got at home. And then finally, just some sort of cleaner. So I've just got an alcohol-based cleaner. You can get that anywhere. You can use white spirit, whatever you've got, a cleaning substance is really useful. So these are all the tools you need for the easy build road frame kit. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. For more information on bamboo bikes, builds and components, visit our website. And for more general updates, follow us on social media, and if you like what you see, subscribe to our channel.